Car battery chargers ensure quick power recovery, prevent breakdowns, extend battery life, and keep vehicles ready anytime. Today's video is about top 5 best car battery chargers for quick charging that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Yonhan Automatic Smart Car Battery Charger. This 10A12V/24V smart battery charger is a reliable all-in-one solution for keeping your vehicle batteries in top condition. It works as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, SUVs, boats, and lawnmowers using AGM, GL, SLA, and flooded batteries. Designed for year-round use, it features winter and summer charging modes that automatically adjust to temperature changes, helping prevent battery drain in extreme weather. Built-in protections like reverse polarity, overcharge, and short-circuit safeguards ensure safe and worry-free operation. The clear backlit LCD display provides real-time information such as voltage, current, battery percentage, and temperature. A smart thermal sensor further optimizes charging efficiency, while memory function restores your last settings after power loss. It also includes an advanced repair mode using pulse technology to revive weak or idle batteries and extend battery life. Additionally, a trickle charge motorcycle mode maintains stable voltage for long-term storage. Compact yet powerful, it's an excellent companion for reliable battery maintenance. Now our second product is Nexpeak Battery Charger. This 12V/24V smart battery charger is a powerful and efficient solution for maintaining and restoring a wide range of batteries, including LiFePO4 and traditional lead-acid types such as AGM, GL, SLA, and flooded batteries. With 12V10A and 24V5A output and an advanced 8-stage charging system, it delivers faster, safer, and more precise charging compared to standard chargers. One of its standout features is the automatic trickle and float charging mode, which keeps batteries fully maintained for long-term storage, ideal for seasonal vehicles, motorcycles, boats, and backup equipment. The large LCD screen makes monitoring easy, showing voltage, current, temperature, charge percentage, and charging mode even in bright sunlight. Safety is well covered with protections against overcharging, short circuits, reverse polarity, overheating, and more, ensuring dependable use in all conditions. The pulse repair function helps restore sulfated batteries and improve performance, extending overall battery life. With a long 10-foot cable and smart temperature compensation, it's a practical and reliable choice for everyday battery maintenance and emergency charging needs. Our third product is Corebox Smart Trickle Charger for Car. This all-climate smart battery charger is a highly versatile and reliable solution for maintaining and charging a wide range of batteries in any environment. Designed to operate in extreme temperatures from -20°C to 50°C, it features advanced temperature compensation technology along with dedicated winter and summer modes, ensuring optimal charging performance year-round. It supports both lead-acid and LiFePO4 batteries, including AGM, GL, SLA, and flooded types, making it suitable for cars, trucks, RVs, boats, and more. With a 10A rapid charging system and auto detection for 12V/24V batteries, it delivers fast and efficient power while monitoring real-time voltage, current, and battery health through a clear LCD display. Its 7-stage smart charging process helps extend battery life, while trickle charging prevents battery drain during long storage periods. Safety is a strong point, featuring spark-proof technology, reverse polarity protection, overload control, and a fireproof casing. The pulse repair and diagnostic functions help restore sulfated batteries and improve performance. Compact yet powerful, it is an excellent tool for long-term battery care and emergency charging needs. Now number 4, Yinleader Automatic Battery Maintainer for Car. This all-in-one portable car battery charger is a versatile and practical solution for maintaining and restoring different types of batteries. It works as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, desulfator, and reconditioner, supporting 12V lead-acid and LiFePO4 batteries, as well as 12V/24V lead-acid systems used in cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and lawnmowers. Note, it does not support 24V lithium batteries. One of its strongest features is the efficient repair mode, which helps revive old, idle, or under-voltage batteries with a simple one-key operation, extending overall battery lifespan. The upgraded 6-stage charging system ensures safe, stable, and efficient charging, automatically switching to float mode once the battery is full to prevent overcharging during long storage periods. The bright LCD screen clearly displays voltage, current, battery level, and charging mode, making monitoring easy. With adjustable current settings for different battery sizes, it offers flexible performance for various applications. Built-in protections such as overvoltage, short circuit, reverse polarity, and overheating ensure safe operation. The smart temperature-controlled fan adds reliability by activating only when needed, making this charger a dependable choice for long-term battery care. And our last choice is Soarfly Smart Waterproof Battery Charger. This 3-bank marine battery charger is a powerful and highly versatile charging solution designed for boats, vehicles, and multi-battery systems. With a total output of 30 amps, 10A per bank, it can charge 3 12V batteries simultaneously or independently, making it ideal for marine setups with starter, deep cycle, and auxiliary batteries. It supports 12V lead-acid types such as SLA and AGM, as well as 12V lithium-ion and calcium batteries. One of its key strengths is the intelligent 3-mode charging system, allowing easy selection based on battery type for safe and optimized performance. The force mode is especially useful for reviving deeply discharged batteries, automatically detecting low voltage and enabling repair charging when needed. Built-in smart diagnostics and automatic repair functions help identify issues like overheating, reverse polarity, or overvoltage, ensuring safe operation at all times. The integrated temperature sensor adjusts charging output based on environmental conditions, preventing under or overcharging in extreme weather. With its IP68 waterproof rating and fully sealed design, this charger is built for harsh marine environments, offering reliable, long-lasting battery maintenance in wet and demanding conditions. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.